What's going on, everybody? This is Craig from URComped. I wanted to go live to answer some questions that people may have about URComped, how we work. We had some confusion the last couple days, or I wouldn't call it confusion. It's just people are asking about the differences between different types of complimentary offers that they have that they want to use to get new offers through URComped. Okay, so I want to explain to you guys what the hierarchy is of different offers, why certain offers are worth more than others, and then answer any questions you guys may have. Okay, so as you know, when you sign up with URComped, we ask you a few questions about where you play, how you play, and then you upload pictures of your current offers, right? And if you are looking to get a complimentary cruise, the offers that are most valuable, that will most likely get you a new cruise through URComped, are bounce back offers. So first, excuse my bad handwriting. All right, bounce back offers. So bounce back offers are offers that came directly from a cruise line. So you went, you took a cruise, you gambled on the ship with your player's card, and then you gambled enough that they want to bring you back with a complimentary cruise. So that is a bounce back offer. And sometimes you'll see them called BB. And so that carries the most weight with the companies we work with because it shows that this is a person that gambles on the ship. And then obviously different levels of offers indicate different values, right? So somebody that's getting a complimentary suite on a cruise ship and $1,000 or more in free play is at one level. They gamble enough to justify that cost, and then down here where it may be $300 off your next cruise, it's somebody gambles at a lesser amount. Okay, so basically the bounce back offers hold the most weight for new players because it's a clear indicator of how much a player gambles on the ship. Okay, if we don't have that, and the next level down when it comes to offers are land-based cruise certificates. So that's where you're invited to Joe's Casino in Atlantic City. I'm obviously making that up. Joe's Casino to come in for your complimentary cruise, and the events they're kind of a win-win for the cruise line and the casino. For the casino, it's a way to get players in with the hook of a free cruise, and that has zero cost to the casino, so it's a great marketing tool. And the cruise line, it's a great acquisition tool because they're getting new players. Now, how these certificates are structured, they're like this too. So there's some players that they show up and they get a certificate for a complimentary balcony, some are ocean view, and some are inside, right? Balcony, ocean view, inside. So those also are good segmented offers, and but it's an indicator of how somebody gambles on land at that particular casino. So it's a good indicator of value because a lot of people that will gamble at a land-based casino will also play on the ship, but it's not as powerful as a bounce back offer because some people go on the cruise and they just don't gamble, right? Because the casinos tend to be smaller, they may not have the selection of machines a person wants, they may not have the table games. So there's some leakage, to use like a retail term, right? So it's maybe from here to here, there's like a 70%, 70 to 50%. If you're $1,000 a day player here, maybe on the cruise ship it's 700 or 500, just because it's a new experience, you play less. So these offers are worth a little bit less than bounce back offers. And then lastly are tier-based offers. okay? And what this means is if you're in a loyalty program that, going back to Joe's Casino, and we'll call it, I should have had more coffee this morning. I can't think of a clever name for Joe's tier system. We'll call it like Friends of Joe, and he's got like his best friend club, and that's the top tier, and it's like amigo, and then there's like acquaintance. All right, so Joe's Casino's got best friend, amigo, and acquaintance. All right, and so best friend, they get a free cruise, okay? If you hit best friend status, at the end of the year, you get 1 free cruise, and then amigo, maybe it's like 1 half-price cruise, okay? So this is where sometimes there's some confusion that I definitely want to clear up, because people will upload offers that maybe they hit the top tier and they get a free cruise certificate, and I could definitely see why they would upload to URComped and think that they would get a free cruise through one of our partners. And the reason why the partners we work with may not necessarily offer a free cruise based on this is because you can get to top tier, or a player can get to top tier by just going every day. Because the tier-based offers are really like a deposit in a bank account. So this is, let's say a player hits best friend status by going 200 days over the course of a year and gambling $100 a day, right? And let's say the casino, they set aside, it's almost like they put it into a bank account, right? And we'll say $5 a day, we're putting it into the best friend club fund, okay? So $5 a day, it goes into, and obviously I'm not looking at my phone right now, but if any of you have questions, I'll once I finish making this point, I'll hop over there and I'll look through them and I'll answer everything. Okay, so it's like you're depositing money into a bank account, and then at the end of the year, maybe there's $1,000 here in this best friend account that they're going to give you a free cruise from. Okay, so it's kind of like, it's just consistency. And all right, $1,000, here you go, here's a free cruise. I mean, more often than not, the casino's not actually like buying the cruise, they're getting it for free from the cruise company. But it's just, you're consistent, you got best friend club, one of your rewards is a free cruise. But the person that's worth $100 a day, while super valuable to Joe's Casino, because they're consistent, that's like the foundation of revenue for the casino. If you just put them on a cruise for 7 days, times 100, they're probably equal to $700 in revenue for the cruise. And that's assuming they gamble the exact same amount, where we talked about earlier, some people gamble less, right? So the cruise line, when they see a top tier offer, they think it may be worth $700, $500 on the ship. When these complimentary cruises, they have a hard cost, okay? So the cost for, let's say, even an inside cabin, oftentimes the casino department on the cruise ship is buying it, and it may cost $1,000 or more of hard cost. Because it's funny, within the cruise companies, the biggest revenue driver is the sale of cabins. Okay, so the casino isn't the big dog like it would be in land-based casinos in Las Vegas or Atlantic City or wherever, where the casino can say, hey, we need these rooms and you're not going to charge us anything because we want to bring in players. It's flipped in the cruise industry because the revenue department, the one that sells the room, makes all the money, so the casino department has to buy the rooms from them. So they need to be extra sure that somebody is going to gamble in order to justify buying that room from hotel or revenue management, okay? So, going back, bounce back offers, somebody's got a comp balcony. It shows that at least one cruise line thinks this player gambles enough that they want to bring him back and give him a fully comp cruise, great. That is a good indicator that if URComped sends us this player to somewhere else, we're going to make that money too. So they carry a lot of weight, bounce back offers, land-based cruise certs. All right, this person, at least we know that on land they gamble a certain amount per day, so a lot of times they're willing to take a shot on it. And then tier-based offers, obviously it shows consistency, and not every player is just consistent low end. There's obviously a lot of people at that top tier that just go maybe once a month, that gamble a lot. So it definitely carries some weight, but those ones aren't going to be enough to get a complimentary cruise. Now, this is all just for the first trip. Okay, as soon as you take one trip with URComped, we get a play report, and we then know like exactly how you played on that cruise, and then it carries the most weight, right? Way up here, we got real play, and so you book a trip with us, you play, we get your play history, and then you're unlocked everywhere. Then it's not speculation anymore. It's like, hey, this is exactly what this player did in April on a 7-day cruise, and then we can negotiate the best offers possible for you. So that is how it works. In some cases, if none of these offers are available, our team can talk to a casino host on your behalf. You got a host assigned you at your home casino. They can tell us, this player does this much per day. Here's how they typically play, and we can use that to go to our cruise partners to get you a complimentary cruise. In some cases, we can use win-loss statements to indicate how much player plays on a cruise ship. But these are the typical ways that we can qualify players for complimentary cruises. So I hope that helps clarify. Now I'm going to look at what questions and stuff we got. And all right. Okay, so Laura. What's going on, Laura? How are you? Laura's awesome. As a single on a comp cruise, do you have to pay double for the room? Okay, good question. So I'm looking at myself on the screen because I got a laptop and a phone, and every time I do this, I got less and less hair. It's kind of it's the kids, right? It's like I'm pulling my hair out. But all right, do you have to pay double for a comp? It depends on the cruise. Well, so the casino department is buying the cabin, and it's always double occupancy. Okay, so if there's one player that's going single, they would only have to pay taxes for one person. Okay, so that fee would be cut in half. But the cabin itself, if a player's going solo, then that person would have to justify a cabin for two. If that makes sense. I hope I explained that right. But yeah, so if, let's say the cruise line is looking for, they want to combine $1,000 a day in value. If it's one person, then they would have to be $1,000 a day. But what happens a lot, and one of the values of working with URComped, is that we can see that, okay, one of the two is $700 a day, and the other is $300, and so we can combine that play to get maybe a higher quality cabin, or just get over that hump to get a comp. So hope that answered it, Laura. Thank you. All right. So I need to spend double in the casino. Got it. Hopefully they're paying you. I want you to win. We actually had a few like really good jackpots. We had one gentleman win like 50 grand on a Crystal Cruise not too long ago. So, and then we've had I know Billy, my homeboy Billy, he had a nice jackpot in Royal Caribbean. We had a few other ones. So, and actually, if you hit some jackpots on a URComped trip, please send them to us. I know we'll respect your privacy, obviously, so we can not share your name. We can share your name, you tell us, but like definitely send us pictures so we can celebrate your wins, because I love that. All right, we did Michelle. Michelle's awesome, by the way. I know Tyler loves working with you, Michelle. We did 5 bounce back cruises in 1 year. We spent every night and most of the sea days in the casino. That's our entertainment. Yeah. That's awesome, Michelle. We're so happy to be working with you. Hopefully you can see more of the world and try some different experiences with URComped. Thank you. Barbara, thanks so much for our cruises. No, thank you. Like I can't tell you how like great it is coming into work every day, and especially like Stephanie and Tyler and now Stu and Kale, like Brandon, Rob. Like we're all just. It's so nice working with you guys and being able to help you, and like everyone is just so cool. Like so, thank you so much. Kelly Shacklet Boulay from Giselle. Hi from Giselle. I definitely need a cruise. Yeah, you do. You may know the right person. That's my sister. She's in town. She may be. It's nice to see my sister. I don't want to spoil any surprises, but we'll see you at Mexican food tonight. The offers look awesome that you have procured. Thank you, Laura. It honestly, and how it works, like just so all you guys know, like we're very data driven. You guys have seen Kale before. Like he's built an amazing platform, and the way people upload these offers, and then they take a trip, and then we get more and more data right back on like what these different offers mean. And what it does, it gives the cruise lines we work with more and more confidence to give better and better offers. So I mean, honestly, it's just we're so blessed that you guys have taken advantage of these offers, and then when you go on the cruise, you actually play, because then it shows like this crazy idea of URComped, like uploading offers, and we promise we'll bring you new players. Like the cruise lines are really starting to come around. They're like, these guys are right, and so they're stepping up the plate and getting better and better offers. So it's all thanks to you. So thank you. I think that may be the only questions right now, but I just want to thank you guys again. If you have any questions, you watch this later, put them in the comments. We actually have a good meeting today with a cruise line to talk about more offers. So anyway, but I will definitely be checking the comments and answer any questions I can. And just thank you so much. Love you guys, and we will talk again soon.